Ever wish you could stop manually running the same Salesforce reports over and over? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to schedule your reports so updates land in your inbox automatically. No extra clicks, no reminders. Whether you're tracking sales performance, service cases, or pipeline trends, this quick setup can save you time every single week. Start by heading to the App Launcher, the grid icon you'll usually find in the top left or right corner of your Salesforce screen. Click it, then type Reports into the search bar. Select the Reports option from the drop-down. Once the Reports page opens, choose the report you want to schedule. You can either scroll through your list or search by name. After the report opens, look toward the top right of the page. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the Edit button. Click that arrow and select Subscribe. In Salesforce, subscribing is the same as scheduling. This opens your subscription settings. This is where everything comes together. First, choose how often you want this report delivered. Daily, weekly, or custom days. Just select what fits your workflow. Then set the exact time you want it to run. A lot of people pick early morning so the latest data is waiting when they start work, but pick whatever works best for you. Next, choose the recipients. Add yourself and, if needed, include other users, specific roles, or groups in your organization. This way, everyone who needs the data gets it automatically, no follow-ups, and no forwarding emails. You'll also see an optional section for conditions. This is great if you only want the report when something specific happens. For example, you might only want it to send when there's new data, like when the row count is above 0. It keeps your inbox clean and the reports relevant. Once you've set the frequency, time, recipients, and any conditions, just hit Save, and that's it. Your report is officially scheduled. From here on out, Salesforce takes care of the delivery, and you get those updates without lifting a finger. If this helped you streamline your workflow, stick around for more Salesforce tips that make your day easier and your data work harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.